Over time, we've acquired multiple digital devices, desktops, laptops, netbooks, tablets, and smartphones. And it's overwhelming to find and manage all of our files, documents, photos, music, videos, and social media content. Now, imagine if you had one really powerful way to finally gain control over all of your digital content located anywhere using any browser on any device. Welcome to ZeroPC, your personal desktop in the cloud. ZeroPC turns your browser into a PC with easy, secure, anytime access to everything you've been storing on your hard drive, devices, and external sources. Whether it's Box.net, Dropbox, Evernote, Facebook, Flickr, Google Docs, Instagram, Picasa, SugarSync, or Twitter, ZeroPC combines them all under one virtual roof. And ZeroPC helps you monitor your storage in each surface. Have a tablet? Get ZeroPC for iPad or Android to access popular web services with just one app. And even better, ZeroPC is free. Move your stuff from one place to another by simple drag and drop. Search through all your digital content using an integrated search bar. Securely back up everything into the cloud right from your ZeroPC console. ZeroPC has high levels of encryption, just like the kinds banks use to ensure that your data is safe. Your free personal desktop in the cloud is only a click away. There is nothing to install, and all you need is a browser. Join the future of cloud computing today with ZeroPC.